you while I swallow my chewing gum. Hang on. So I don't spit it out at you fellas in the middle of my song. Song is... We've been rehearsing all the way here, so these are one of the songs we were practicing. Just smile and nod and pretend we were practicing, okay? Pass me not, oh gentle Savior, to hear my humble cry. While on others thou art calling, do not pass me by. Savior, Savior, hear my humble cry. While on others thou art calling, do not pass me by. Take
Promise me now, oh gentle Savior, hear my humble cry. What on earth thou art calling, do not pass me by. Savior, Savior, hear my humble cry.
That went exactly how we rehearsed it. That was great.